Doing really well. There's one over there. There's definitely one out there, this battery. Look at this good boy. He's a good boy. Good sit. Good sit. We got some homemade treats made by his mummy. Oh, we got a cyclist cycling across the field. Good sit. He's looking. Good sit. Yes! And a treat. Good. Good boy. Here, take a longer one. This one lasts a bit longer. Good sit. Oh, we're happy with this. Good boy. He's interested, of course. Good. Good sit. Good boy. Good boy. That's good. So we got the birds, we got the cycle.